In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Slenke features comparison for project management. We'll walk through what each platform is designed to do, how their core features shape day-to-day work, and which kinds of teams will benefit most. By the end, you'll have a clear, practical understanding of where each tool shines so you can match the right software to your workflow. Let's start with ClickUp. It positions itself as the software to replace all software, which means it aims to centralize your work so you're not bouncing between separate apps for tasks, docs, chat, and planning. The big problem it targets is work sprawl, where important information and updates are scattered across tools and teams. According to the platform, a huge share of work gets lost in context switching. ClickUp's response to that is a unified workspace, anchored by an AI assistant called ClickUp Brain that's available around the clock. ClickUp Brain is designed to provide ambient answers, so it can surface the information you need in context without making you dig through multiple pages. If you've ever searched across messages, docs, and tasks just to find a status update, this kind of context-aware help can save real time. It also includes AI talk-to-text to speed up capture, helping you transcribe ideas and updates quickly so your notes and action items don't get stuck in your head or scattered across sticky notes. The goal is to help you type faster, document more consistently, and keep everything linked back to the work it belongs to. A standout aspect of ClickUp is its specialized AI agents. These are tailored to common departmental needs, so teams can move faster without starting from scratch every time. For example, project management agents track deliverables, highlight what's at risk, and help you keep timelines visible. Marketing agents can draft copy, which is especially helpful when you're iterating on campaigns and need consistent messaging. Software agents assist with producing quality code and keeping engineering tasks organized. Additional agents support operations, improve the employee experience, and remove tedious check-ins that often clog calendars and slow momentum. Together, these agents are designed to close the gap between strategy and execution by automating routine steps and surfacing the next best action. From a results perspective, the platform claims that organizations can see a strong return on investment, with substantial time savings and a quick payback window. While numbers will vary from team to team, the intent is clear: compress the toolset, reduce friction, and make decisions faster. On the trust and scale front, ClickUp is used by a very large number of teams and meets global security standards, such as SOC 2 and GDPR, which is important if you're working with sensitive data or operating across multiple regions. If you're an enterprise or a fast-growing team, these controls and certifications matter because they support compliance without forcing you to bolt on a lot of extra systems. When considering how ClickUp fits into your workflow, think about breadth versus focus. ClickUp is built to be expansive. That can be a major advantage if you want a single source of truth across functions, product, marketing, operations, and beyond. It also means there's a lot of power under the hood, so taking time to align views, permissions, and templates with your processes will pay dividends. If you plan your rollout thoughtfully, starting with core use cases and layering features as you go, you'll make the most of the platform's flexibility without overwhelming your team. Now, let's look at Slenke. Its promise is simple and direct: a place where projects are done. The emphasis is on eliminating the need to juggle multiple apps just to keep work moving. Slenke brings team messaging, tasks, and tracked time into a single environment. So coordination, planning, and accountability happen side by side. If your team often flips between a chat tool, a separate task list, and a standalone time tracker, this kind of all-in-one hub can reduce friction quickly and make collaboration feel more natural. Slenke also stands out for accessibility. It offers free plans for those just getting started, which is helpful if you want to test the basics with a small team before committing. Being featured in software directories alongside other project tools makes it easier to evaluate Slenke based on specific features and user feedback. For many teams, the appeal here is clarity. You get the essentials in one place, with a straightforward interface that keeps the focus on executing work rather than configuring an elaborate setup. Thinking about how these two compare, it helps to align the tool with your priorities. If you need an extensive, highly configurable workspace with department-specific AI assistance, deep documentation, and enterprise-grade governance, ClickUp is built for that level of ambition. It's well-suited when multiple departments must collaborate within a single platform and you want AI to accelerate planning, writing, and execution. If your priority is to unify messaging, tasks, and time tracking in a clean, approachable package, Slenke keeps the essentials together with less complexity. It's a strong fit for teams that want to reduce app switching and maintain clear communication without a heavy learning curve, especially if you're exploring with a free plan and scaling at your own pace. Whichever direction you lean, bring your real workflows to the evaluation. Map a typical project from intake to delivery, and see how each platform supports task clarity, cross-team visibility, and timely updates. Pay attention to how quickly your team can capture information, how easy it is to find it later, and whether the tool helps you move decisions forward. Also, consider your security and compliance needs, as well as any requirements your clients or stakeholders may have. That's the features comparison at a practical level. ClickUp aims to centralize everything with powerful AI built for many departments and strong enterprise backing. Slenke streamlines core collaboration by unifying messaging, tasks, and time tracking in one place with easy entry. Choose the one that best matches how your team works today and how you plan to grow tomorrow.